Okay, hi again. In this video, we will go over problems 7, 8, and 9 in coordinate geometry on page 138 and 139. Okay, the first question number 7. We're referring to the same circle as in the previous question, the circle O, where points A, -1, 0, and B, 3, -2, are two endpoints of the diameter. So these are two endpoints of the diameter. And they said, which is the equation of the circle? Now, you do know that the equation of the circle is given by x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the equation of the circle is of the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle and r, of course, is the radius. Okay, now, having said that, I need to find first r, which I have found in the previous question. I need to find r, which is, we found it as square root of 20 over 2, as you can see here, which is square root of 5. Since the equation of the circle is equal to r squared, so this eliminates option A, B, and E. This leaves us only with two options, which are C and D. Okay, now we need to find the coordinates of the midpoint, which is the center of the circle. Now the midpoint coordinates, as you can see, is x2 minus x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So here I have added the x's and divided them by 2 and added the y's and divided them by 2, and we found that the coordinates of the center of the circle is 1, -1. Now, having said that, the equation of the circle is x minus x of the center squared plus y minus y of the center squared equals r squared, and this gives us option D, and this is the answer. Okay, question number 8. It says there are 2 points M31 and N71. When we are given 2 points, the first thing we look at is whether they have the same x coordinate or the same y coordinate. If they have the same x coordinate, then they are related vertically. If they have the same y coordinate, then they are related horizontally. Okay, they said M31 and N71 are two adjacent vertices of a rectangle. Which of the following could be one of the rectangle's other vertices? So we sketched the 2 points. As you can see, M and N. Okay, they are related horizontally. And which could be the other vertices? We take a look, we do process of elimination. We take a look at the first point, which is 3, 7. Now, 3, 7 is a point that is up here. So it could be another vertex. We take a look at the second one, 7, 3, which could be a point here, which is also possible. We take a look at the third option, which is 3, -7. So this is 3 and this is -7. So it could be down here, which is also possible. option D, which is -3 and 7, which is somewhere here. So this cannot be a vertex. So the correct answer, which of the following is not one of the rectangles, other vertices, the answer is option D, -3, 7. Okay, question number 9. It says which of the following equations is not, which of the following is the equation of a parabola that does not intersect the x-axis? What do we know about parabolas? We know about parabolas that they are either pointing upwards or pointing downwards. Now, if they intersect the x-axis with 2 points, then they have 2 roots. If they are tangent to the x-axis, then they have 1 double root. If they do not intersect with the x-axis, then they have no roots. Okay, now, having said that, the question is, which is a parabola that does not intersect the x-axis? That means we want an equation that has no intersection with the x-axis or no roots. Okay, let's take a look at option A. Now, option A, it's obviously not a parabola, okay, because it's from the 4th degree. Now, option B, if you factor the parabola in option B, you will see that it is factored into x plus 3 and x minus 1, which means it has 2 distinct roots, which are -3 and +1. So this has 2 roots. If you go with option C, now this is a double root of 1. If you go with option D, this is 2 distinct roots. These are 2 distinct roots, x minus 1 and x plus 1. And the last option, which is option E, it cannot be factored and it has no real roots, which means it does not intersect with the x-axis, and this is our answer. Okay, so our answer here is E, x squared plus 1. Okay, I hope that was clear. Waiting for you in the next presentation.